Imagine a construction project so massive it dwarfs the Apollo program. We're not talking about a city or a space station, but a digital cathedral of silicon and steel. This is the physical reality of Alphabet's pivot toward the future. Google isn't just building software anymore. They are committing to a projected capital expenditure that could reach a staggering $185 billion by 2026. It's a number so large it's hard to wrap your head around. But why? Because of a single, audacious theory called infinite scaling. The idea is simple. If you add more compute and more data, the AI just keeps getting smarter. And Google is betting the entire company that this trend won't stop.
To understand this bet, we have to look at what's actually inside these buildings. We're moving past the era of general-purpose servers. We are now entering the age of the AI supercluster. Alphabet's leadership has made it clear the risk of underinvesting is far greater than the risk of overspending. If they don't build this infrastructure now, they might lose the AI race forever. It's a high-stakes game of digital poker. This isn't just about search anymore. It's about a foundational shift in how information is processed globally. And to power it, Google needs the most advanced hardware ever created. But here's the fascinating part. This massive spend isn't just going into a vacuum. It's fueling a symbiotic relationship with a company that has become the backbone of the entire industry, Nvidia. Nvidia's Blackwell platform is the key. It's not just a chip, it's a massive leap in how we think about compute. And Google is one of its biggest customers, ready to deploy these units at a scale we've never seen. This partnership is creating a feedback loop. Google's demand drives Nvidia's innovation, which in turn gives Google the tools to push the boundaries of what AI can do. But this loop comes with a massive price tag.
Some analysts look at these numbers and see a bubble. They see billions of dollars flowing into hardware without a clear, immediate return on investment. It's a valid concern, but it might be missing the bigger picture. Think back to the late 90s. Companies spent billions laying fiber optic cables that stayed dark for years. People called it a waste, but that waste became the foundation for the entire modern internet. Alphabet is betting that AI infrastructure is the new fiber optics. They're building the roads before the cars are even fully designed. And the cars, in this case, are the next generation of AI applications.
So, is this a reckless gamble or a calculated move? To find out, we need to dive deep into the actual hardware. We need to see why Blackwell is such a game changer for Google's bottom line. Because the relationship between Google's spend and Nvidia's revenue isn't just about buying parts, it's about co-designing the future of computing itself, and that's where things get really interesting. Coming up, we're breaking down the specs, the economics, and the reality of the ROI paradox. You won't want to miss this.
Let's talk specs. Nvidia's Blackwell isn't just an incremental update, it's a monster. We're talking about 208 billion transistors packed into a single package. That's more than 25 times the population of Earth. But for Google, the most important number is the power efficiency. Blackwell is designed to reduce energy consumption for training massive models by up to 25 times. In the world of data centers, power is the ultimate bottleneck. This efficiency is what makes Alphabet's $185 billion spend even possible. Without it, the electricity bill alone would bankrupt almost any company. Blackwell makes the impossible affordable.